Hey everybody, this is Tyler Dockery. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in class. Some of you will show up on Mondays, some of you will show up on Wednesdays, and we'll have some online materials as well as class stuff. You won't be able to see me smiling from behind my mask, but just don't worry, I wish you well. Typography is a class in which we will focus on learning how to work with type, specifically information and communication. Text is the fastest way to inform somebody, and that's what we're focused on. We're also going to be working on Adobe InDesign, the cash cow for this industry. This program will make you money. Every other program, especially Photoshop, is just a side facet. In your working world, you may use Photoshop once a month, but you'll use InDesign every single day. I look forward to seeing your work. Make sure you're pushing yourself, and I can't wait to see you.